A new citizenship and immigration services rule is slated for October, and activism groups are fighting in the courts.
KNWA's Andrew Epperson live in studio tonight to tell us about what can happen if you're an immigrant deemed a public charge by the government. Andrew.
Hey, Chad, if you've received public assistance or are likely to in the future, the government can reject your change of status application. With a new rule, the categories for being a public charge expand.
Like, they would rather validate.
Arkansas United Executive Director Maria Wraiths says she's worried about a change in federal regulation concerning immigration.
President Trump, shortly after winning office, declared that he was likely going to go in this direction with his administration, which was to put barriers not just on undocumented immigration, but also the legal immigration process.
Implemented by the Department of Homeland Security, this new rule concerns public charge. In layman's terms, are you going to be a burden on the government? Aaron Cash is a Rogers attorney who specializes in immigration law. He says there was already a law in place, but the new rule expands the government's reach.
Basically what it does is it expands the ways that immigration or Department of Homeland Security can prohibit someone from legally coming here by saying you're likely to be a burden on the government.
Age, background, education, income, all taken into account in the government's educated guess. Wraith says it's more about money than anything.
It's as simple as that. It's somehow the indication of your value to this country is supposed to be based on the amount of money you make or the amount of money you perceive to make. State
Senator Bart Hester says he agrees with the government's attempts to quell the immigration crisis.
It's heart-wrenching to see this happen, but look, I think right now you've got to go through a very difficult stage to get to the better place, which is a controlled border, which makes all Americans safer.
But Cash points out that this particular issue concerns those who are going through legal channels.
People oftentimes talk about illegal immigration, but this is legal immigration, and it's a restriction that's going to be taking effect in October of this year.
And Wraith says groups like hers are fighting the rule's implementation.
Us as activists are simultaneously pursuing this both in the courts as well as with Congress in terms of taking action.
Cash says those who are deemed a public charge can post a bond, $8,100 in cash. He says the new rule could lead to permanent separation of immigrant family members in different countries. Live in studio, Andrew Epperson, KNWA Northwest Arkansas News.